love the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, HID headlights, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.